Welcome to Sativo Saturday. If you're ready to put your seat back and enjoy the ride, we have the perfect cocktail for you.
Hi, it's Katherine. Today we're going to be doing our little special take on a classic that we're calling the Layover. Start with 3/4 an ounce of lemon, 3/4 an ounce of Aperol, 3/4 an ounce of Amaro Nonino, 1/4 an ounce of Elijah Craig, and lastly 3/4 an ounce of Sativo Tequila. Add some ice to your tin and give it a shake. Grab your glass, then strain your drink on in there. Garnish with some grapefruit oil. Garnish with a cute little paper plate. You're all set, enjoy. And your exits are gonna be the left and the right. Have a safe flight.